Hello and welcome back to my another unboxing video. In this video I'm going to share with you JBL Flip 4 portable wireless speaker. So let's take a look. This is my JBL Flip 4 portable wireless speaker. How exactly it looks like. Now I'm going to unboxing this box and then let me see what inside the box we're getting and how exactly it looks like this JBL Flip 4 portable wireless speaker. I'm going to open this box first of all and then see, and there is another box we can see here which is orange color, and inside this we're getting our we're getting a cable which will be audio output, and also we're getting a charger to connect this JBL, and also inside this we're getting our beautiful JBL speaker we can see here, and also inside this we're getting here a user guide, I think, and this is a flip quick start guide. You can see how we can use this JBL speaker. This is a user guide, so you can see here, and this is so that's all about the inside this box. So what we're getting inside this JBL, we're getting here our JBL Flip 4 speaker, and also we're getting a charger, and we're getting a cable, audio output cable. And this is our finally this is our JBL speaker. Let me jump over by side what we exactly get this JBL Flip 4. We can see this is a JBL logo, and after that if you just scroll like this, we'll see here all the button, which is this is the amp which will change the mode, and this is the minus which will be decrease the volume, or if you want to increase the volume you can easily click this plus button. And this is the play or pause button, and here we're getting a power button, so which is if you long press this device is going to be turned on, and then we will see a light, white color light will appear, and there is some beep will appear. And here we can see this is a plus button which will help to, we all know that JBL there is a party mode, so we can easily together connect, configure 4 or 5 JBL, and we can play our music or etc things. And here you can see this is a Flip 4. If you turn it on, if you try to open it, we will see there is a USB connector, SD card add connector. Also there is a you can, if you want to charge this device, this is a charger connector, and here we get AUX, so we can easily use this device to use with our computer output. We can easily use AUX, and if you want to use a SD card, you can easily use here. If you want to connect with USB, you can here if you have any USB that have some files etc things, some media file, you can easily use this to play. And overall you can see this is all about how exactly this device looks. And here we can see this is the beep, so when we're going to play anything, this is going to be something coming beep both side, and also we're getting a like carrying system, so you can easily carry this JBL anywhere with using this thing. JBL Flip 4 portable Bluetooth speaker works on a powerful 3000 mAh lithium-ion battery. The JBL Flip 4 speaker sports a beautiful blue finish. Going for a night out, carrying the JBL 4 waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker that deliver an amazing sound quality. This compact and lightweight speaker will cover a small space in your backpack. This portable speaker is powered by a rechargeable 3000 mAh lithium-ion battery that provide approx 12 hours of continuous audio playtime, featuring a built-in noise and echo-cancelling speakerphone. This wireless speaker allows you to make crystal clear calls without reaching out to your device. Enjoy an amplified listening experience with this speaker. It supports the JBL Connect Plus technology that allow you to link more than 100 Connect Plus enable speaker together. It also has voice assistant integrated that let you connect to Siri or Google Now with a simple button press. This Bluetooth speaker is waterproof and can withstand spills and splinters. Available in a bold blue finish, this JBL Flip for Bluetooth speaker delivers a high fidelity sound with the bass radiator. I buy this speaker from a local market which cost me around $100. So within $100, you're getting a brand new JBL with waterproof, with high sound quality, with stylish look. Definitely JBL 4 going to be your best choice. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please like, share and subscribe.